Exit number 5 from Rabash, Love of Friends 2. Rabash says, by each joining the society and annulling oneself before it, they become one body. For example, if there are 10 people in that body, it has 10 times more power than a single person has. However, there is a condition. When they gather, each of them should think that he has now come for the purpose of annulling self-love. It means that he will not consider how to satisfy his will to receive now, but will think as much as possible only of the love of others. This is the only way to acquire the desire and the need to take on a new quality called the will to bestow. And from love of others, one can reach love of the Creator, meaning wanting to give contentment to the Creator.
So first, we invest in the 10. And it doesn't matter what the calculation we make is exactly. The most important thing is to invest. There's a habit becoming a second nature in this. There's investing in them, and so moving my wealth into my other lands, like my future malchut, like the king transferring his treasure. But after I do that again and again, from where do I start thinking that perhaps I'm doing it in an incorrect manner, egoistically, that I need to replace my attitude to one of bestowal? Let's say that power, that money, those things which I transfer to the group. How, by transferring it to the group, how do I begin to think not about my own profit as I'm investing in them in order to acquire, to buy the next world? How does it help me truly think about in order to bestow? Go ahead. Do you understand the question? I can't work with you. What's going on? Yes or no? Any who don't understand? Gershon? The question is clear. The answer? Think together with the friends. How does my investment in the group, although it's egoistic in nature, suddenly awaken this question in me? Why am I investing egoistically in the group and not by way of bestowal? Let's say I've invested $1 million there, and suddenly I want those $1 million to go away. Whatever they want. There's no connection to me. I don't want anyone to know about me or anything, but I've invested. Every single penny I transferred there, like a secure bank account, which is mine. And after having done that calculation, I don't want it anymore. I'm willing to just donate it. How does it happen? Please. Does it depend on the 10? The 10 is very harsh, very egoistic people, very intellectual people, so to speak, or if it's a soft, malleable 10, simple. Does it depend when I'll start thinking about in order to bestow? Does it depend on if it's that kind of 10 or this kind of 10? Does it depend on the fact? Does it depend on the nature of the people in the 10, if they're harsh and rigid or soft? Please.